Chapter 2. The next day, the guard made the announcement to the villagers. "The moon is disappearing," he said. "King Kafu will give 1,000 gold coins to anyone who can bring the moon to him." The villagers were confused. The moon had disappeared before, and it had always come back again. But there was a reward of 1,000 gold coins. So they started thinking of ways to capture the moon. They decided to build a rocket. They worked non-stop for 11 days and nights. Finally, the rocket was finished. But when the villagers looked up at the sky, the moon was gone. "We must tell King Kafu," said the king's guard. He pointed to a young villager. "You boy," he said, "go and find the king. Tell him the moon is gone." The boy nodded and immediately set off for the palace. The boy searched the palace for the king. It took him a long time, but eventually the boy found King Kafu. He was hiding under his bed covers. "Why are you hiding?" asked the boy. "I am afraid of the dark," King Kafu whimpered. "That's why I wanted to catch the moon and to bring it to the palace. Then it would never be dark again. My people think I'm the bravest king in the world, but I am not. No one must ever know my secret." The boy felt sorry for King Kafu. "Don't worry," the boy said. "We will find the moon and bring it to you." The boy returned to the village. "We must find the moon's hiding place," he told the villagers. The villagers agreed. First, they collected fishing rods and butterfly nets to help them catch the moon. Then the boy, the guard, and some villagers climbed on board the rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! The villagers cheered. The rocket shot up into the sky.